Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item I ordered and got in just a couple of days, and these are oiling pin sets. What does that mean? If you have any clocks or watches that you need to oil, you need little pin sets to get in there and oil the little channels around where the pins are, as far as with all the mechanisms for the rockers and the gears and all these different things that move inside the bushings. You need these little pins to get the oil in there. So here's a clock, for instance. You got inside this clock, there's all kinds of there's gears and things you have to oil, and you need something really small like these little pin sets. Now this is a set of 4. There's all different configurations online, but I just want to show you what they look like, get an idea what they look like. They're small little pins. You can see that tiny pin, and what you do, and it comes in this little case, you get a little container here. You can put different viscosities of oil in here, depending on what you're working on, a pocket watch or a bigger watch, different sets of oils you can put in this little wells. You can see here little wells, and what you would do is take the pin, just dab it in there, and then add it to your watch or your pocket watch or your clock, whatever you're oiling. You use this here. The reason why you use this, you have more control over the oil. You don't want to over oil, you don't want to make it oily. You just want to really just oil those little channels where the bushings are, where the all the mechanisms that move. You need to oil them, and there's different sizes here that come with this kit. So that's the largest one here. Is the next one down, a little bit smaller. They're tiny, really hard to see. I want you to see. They look like little pins, and these are removable. So if these break, you can change these out. They have little caps that go on each one of these, and here is this one here. This one's a little bit thicker. You can see that. This would be for like a larger gear or a larger clock, let's say. And then we have this one here, which is very small, pocket watches, things of that nature. Little tiny pins there. So you just dip it inside here, the well, and you just dab it, just a drop, and that's all you have to do. These are really very important for controlling your oil distribution. That's why you use this. And if you try to use nail heads, if you try to use paper clips, you're just going to get too much oil. It's going to make a huge mess. This is going to give you the right amount, and that's what I have. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. If I brought your shopping experience, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, follow, and share. It means a lot to me. I appreciate that as always. And don't forget to follow the channel for more reviews on shopping and give you education and teach you a little bit about products just like this. Appreciate your time as always, and thanks for watching.